And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their vehicle Wi-Fi backup camera. Inside of this box is a solar Wi-Fi backup camera. So open it on up, show you what you get here, explain a little of how it works. So you've got nice little user's manual of where to download your app and everything like that. Then you have, this is like your little antenna you'd screw in. Have a, wow, USB-C type charging cable. Nice length as well, like it. And then if we take this on out, that's just foam, and that's it for the box. Here is our solar Wi-Fi camera. So here on the bottom, you can tell it's magnetic. So it's able to go right onto your trailer. Your antenna just screws in. And then of course, this is able to charge from the sun to keep the battery in here charged, or that this is able to feed you a wireless signal to your cell phone so that you can see what's behind you. Perfect for if you have a trailer or something like that that you're carrying. You can also charge it with the USB Type-C port right here, which has a nice weatherproof seal on it. But put this at the top of your trailer, let it get sun, and then you just use the app on your phone to be able to connect in and see what's behind you. Thanks again to this company for sending us this Wi-Fi solar backup camera. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.